Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know the top 7 co-op games coming out in 2026. Number 1, Little Nightmares 3. This is technically coming out in late 2025, but it's got a free friend pass. The core gameplay includes creepy puzzle platforming. You're constantly put in twisted dreamscapes where each player uses unique tools like a bow or a wrench to solve environmental puzzles. In this, players must work together to survive monstrous threats, hiding, timing actions, and pulling switches in sync. Number 2, Hyper Light Breaker. The full release will be in 2026, but the co-op includes up to 3 players. It's an action roguelike in an open world with fast melee/range combat and procedural dungeons. Movement is central. In this game, you dash, wall run, glide, and skateboard through neon-soaked arenas while tackling bosses. Number 3, Subnautica 2. Early access in 2026. The co-op is up to 4 players. In this game, you survive, craft, and base build under the sea. And Subnautica 2 will have a ton of new alien biomes and fauna. Co-op lets players divide tasks underwater. One scouts, one defends, others manage oxygen, and etc. Number 4, Titan Quest 2. It's in early access right now, but the full release will be in 2026. It's a co-op multiplayer ARPG with mythological themes. It's loot-driven combat against beasts and gods with flexible skill builds. Teams can synergize mythic abilities like lightning storms and fire rain while hunting bosses across Greece. Number 5, Out of Words 2026 release. This is a couch co-op and online 2-player. The gameplay is basically a handcrafted puzzle platformer with puppet-like visuals. In this, players control Kurt and Carla. You require timing and communication to cross hazards and unlock story segments. Number 6, Crash Out Crew. Full release in 2026. This is a co-op of up to 4 players. Gameplay includes chaotic team-based delivery and factory puzzling. It's kinda like Overcooked. Each job has moving parts, operating forklifts, repairing conveyors, and dodging hazards while rushing orders out. Number 7, Arc Raiders. It should be released later this year. This is a co-op multiplayer extraction shooter. You drop into hostile zones, scavenge gear, and fight mechanical enemies before extraction. This blends PvE and PvP, where squads must coordinate resource gathering under enemy fire, and they also must escape before rival teams cut them down. If you're interested in playing any co-op games with your friends, head over to Server.pro as we host a ton of games. Bye guys!